Perfect. All right, let's get you dialed in here. That's over here. That's okay. Wow, one more. Perfect. Good. Gonna lay on this side. Yeah. Deep breath in. Breathe it out. I'm gonna roll you. Wow. Don't you like the sound of that? Give us a call, 951-405, once again, 8868. I'm Dr. David Landry, owner and operator of Optimal Performance Chiropractic. Get adjusted. Don't wait until that back is terrible. You can't sit, stand, bend, twist. Give us a call. Chat with you soon. Peace.